Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a landmark in Google Maps. Adding a landmark in Google Maps helps improve navigation, gives others helpful reference points, and contribute to a more complete map. Whether it's a popular statue, natural feature, or historical building, you can help others find it easily. Now let's get down to these steps together. The first step is to open Google Maps. Now, if you're using your mobile phone, just go to the Google Maps application. You can find it if you haven't downloaded it yet in Play Store or App Store, depending on which device you're using. And if you're using your computer, just go to your web browser and then type in the search bar maps.google.com. Now, once the website appears, sign in. Make sure you sign in using your Google account's credentials. As you can see, I'm already signed in. The second step is to find or drop the location. Either search for the location or right click on it on desktop. Now if you're using your mobile, now press to drop a pin where the landmark is located. For example, I'm gonna choose this location right here. I'm using my desktop, so I'm just gonna right click on it. The third step is to click add a missing place. Now in the pin's info box, select add a missing place. The fourth step is to enter the landmark's details. For name, give the landmark its official or commonly known name. And for the category, select landmark or a relevant option like tourist attraction, monument, or cultural site. Just click in and go to the here, for example, and look for this option right here. You can also search for more categories, for example, monuments. You see here, and choose it. You can add any additional details like hours, descriptions, or website, and you can by clicking on add more details. And you can also add pictures and photos of this landmark. The fifth step is to submit for review. Now Google will review the information on your submission and may approve the addition within a few days. And that's it for today's tutorial. By adding a landmark, you're making it easier for locals, tourists, and even delivery services to navigate the area. It's a quick way to contribute to a smarter and more helpful Google Maps experience. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.